I'm Jordan Palmer with Trichology Hair Loss Clinic in Lexington, Kentucky. We often come across a lot of hair myths that a lot of people think are true. The biggest myth is that we get our hairline from our mother's side of the family. The truth is, we get our hairline from both sides. Another myth is that people think that by cutting your hair often will make it grow faster. This isn't true. It will prevent split ends, but it isn't going to make your hair grow any faster. Another myth is that people think that wearing hats or caps causes hair loss. There's a little truth in this, but only because people wear them too tight. You should always be able to get a finger between your scalp and the cap. Another is that LED lights will help you regrow your hair. This is completely false. What you actually need is a laser cap. It's called low-level laser therapy, or LLLT for short. But it needs to be at the correct diodes and wavelengths. If you have any questions, we love talking to people, so pick up the phone and give us a call, or you can schedule a free consultation.